How to budget your money in 2023. A budget is a plan that shows you how you can spend your money every month. Making a budget can help you make sure you do not run out of money each month. It's not magic, but it represents more financial freedom and a life with much less stress. A budget helps you decide what you must spend your money on, if you can spend less money on some things and more money on other things. Before we continue, please take a moment to smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. So, how do you budget your money? You start by calculating your monthly after-tax income. If you get a regular paycheck, the amount you receive is probably it. But if you have automatic deductions for a 401k, savings and health and life insurance, add those back in to give yourself a true picture of your savings and expenditures. If you have other types of income, perhaps you make money from side gigs. Subtract anything that reduces it, such as taxes and business expenses. Next, you pick a budgeting method. In this video, we're going to use the 50-30-30 plan. In it, you spend roughly 50% of your after-tax dollars on necessities, no more than 30% on wants, and at least 20% on savings and debt repayment. Your needs, about 50% of your after-tax income, should include groceries, housing, basic utilities, transportation, insurance, minimum loan payments. Anything beyond the minimum goes into the savings and debt repayment category. Childcare, or other expenses you need so you can work. If your absolute essentials overshoot the 50% mark, you may need to dip into the wants portion of your budget for a while. It's not the end of the world, but you'll have to adjust your spending. Even if your necessities fall under the 50% cap, revisiting these fixed expenses occasionally is smart. You may find a better phone plan, an opportunity to refinance your mortgage, or an opportunity for less expensive car insurance. That leaves you more to work with elsewhere. Leave 30% of your income for wants. Separating wants from needs can be difficult. In general, though, needs are essential for you to live and work. Typical wants include dinners out, gifts, travel, and entertainment. It's not always easy to decide. Are restorative spa visits, including tips, a want or a need? How about organic groceries? Decisions vary from person to person. If you're eager to get out of debt as fast as you can, you may decide your wants can wait until you have some savings or your debts are under control. But your budget shouldn't be so austere that you could never buy anything just for fun. Every budget needs wiggle room. Maybe you forgot about an expense, or one was bigger than you anticipated, and some money to spend as you wish. If there's no money for fun, you'll be less likely to stick with your budget. Use 20% of your after-tax income to put something away for the unexpected, save for the future, and pay off debt. Make sure you think of the bigger financial picture. That may mean two-stepping between savings and debt repayment to accomplish your most pressing goals. Over the long term, someone who follows these guidelines will have manageable debt, room to indulge occasionally, and savings to pay irregular or unexpected expenses and retire comfortably. If this video was helpful to you, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.